Welcome. If you use Telegram regularly and care about privacy or just keeping your chats clutter-free, there is a simple feature you should know about. Telegram allows you to automatically delete messages after a set period of time. And in this video, I will show you how to set it to 1 month using the latest updated steps. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you are on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap the menu icon in the top corner. This will open up Telegram's main navigation panel, where you can access all the important settings. From there, tap on Settings. This is where you control everything related to your account, privacy, and app behavior. Once you are inside Settings, look for Privacy and Security and tap on it. This section contains all the tools that help protect your data and manage how your messages behave. Now, scroll until you find Auto Delete Messages and tap on it. This is the feature that allows you to set a timer for messages to disappear automatically. Under the Self-Destruct timer, you will see different options. Choose after 1 month. This means any new messages in supported chats will be automatically deleted 1 month after they are sent. And that is it. From now on, your messages will clean themselves up without you needing to go back and delete them manually. It is a great way to maintain privacy and keep your conversations organized over time. If you found this helpful, make sure to explore more Telegram settings, because there are plenty of hidden features that can make your experience even better.